Hey guys, welcome back to North Carolina. Uh, we got ourselves a new truck. It's a 78 Dually. We may have to go pick stuff up, so we're going to leave it there. But let's get started and show you what we Okay, so things that we finished with. Oh, I gotta go get that. I dropped it there. The surly tank. Excuse me. We've made some grass silage bales. We have these four ones up here are fermented. These are fermenting. And we baled some straw. We got this disc to disc down the fields to plant. And, well, the combine's in the shop getting worked on, as you can tell. So, let's go down here to this tractor. We're going to jump on, get the slurry tank, and put it where it belongs. And then I think I'm going to back into the fertilizer spreader. And I'm going to go spread fertilizer on the field I plowed up. I also got to plow up wheat stubble. Then I got to get seed to plant wheat. I also may plant oats. In the spring. Well, while we're just look that up, let's look at that real quick. Well, it's going to save, like always. Calendar, weather's good. Um, where's the wheat? Wheat. I could start planting it right now. And oats be harvesting right now. So I don't plant those until spring. Um, all right. So we'll spread fertilizer. Get seed. You know what I may do before I do all that? Being it's early enough in the day, is mow down the alfalfa for alfalfa hay. Maybe that's what I'll do first. And then the other stuff that I want to do. That way, maybe once I'm done spreading the fertilizer, um, I could go ted it to dry it out, being that we have some time before it rains. I will have all that done. So, yeah, that's what we'll do. First, let me go hook up to the fertilizer spreader. Alright, let's get turned back around. I want to make sure I cleared the door. Let's go park this right over here. First, I got to figure out where to get fertilizer. Price. Where fertilizer. Sell it. Go buy it at the lime station. Well, let's see. Where's the lime station? Oh, let's go get it now. It's not far. Just right outside of the place. There it is. That's good to know. Might as well get the fertilizer now. That way we're one step ahead. All right. Now I've got some sweet. I don't know if we have some. I gotta. Hopefully we've got milk to sell here soon. Give them money. And I think once we have money from harvest, I am going to see if I can get a full-type forage chopper and put a harvest store somewhere. Alright, let's jump in the old 4240. Go back and get the mowing machine. We're going to knock down some alfalfa. We'll get back to you when we're there. Hey guys, I went and purchased another mower because that New Holland I had wasn't cutting the alfalfa. So I'm grabbing one of the international ones I have, which the international one pretty much looks like that. And we're going to see what it does. And go from there because you can make alfalfa hay on this. I mean, it has a spot for it, but I just wonder if mowing wise is a certain mower, or mower has to be scripted for it. That New Holland one, it worked, but sometimes it would glitch, so that's why I decided to do this. But I can tell you, I'm really enjoying playing on Farmville right now. It feels like home, let's put it that way. I have the town, I have the people, I have the farm I built, and here's another thing. See all these Kubotas right here? You ready? DR modding made them workable. You can use them. So, roleplay wise, we'll see what we can do with that since, you know. We'll see what we can do with that. That was a great addition to the map. You can't spawn to them. You don't really own them, but you can use them. I don't know if that means if you end with it, say, running a piece of equipment in the field. Alright, so let's try this. This was redone for 25 from the original model and modder 22. So I would venture to say this one worked better. So once we get out there, we'll hit you up. Well, I don't know if this is not ready to harvest or not. So we'll keep playing with this. Let me see something here. I might have. Just want to save again. I might have turned off some of the Emerald. Okay. Huh. I'm pretty sure we're in alfalfa. Where's the icon? Huh. I don't see it now. Huh. Well, no, it's not grass. See, now this one shows everything. It is green beans. So if I go back to the map again, go to 13, visit, it doesn't show it. So the field's not registering. I may have to sell this and find another alfalfa field. I guess we're gonna stop this video here and we'll see if we can ever make alfalfa. Have a great rest of your week, guys. Later.